Major Yambem Angamba Kawi, Aigi younger brother Yambem Lava Singh Kawi, Masi Mayam the Kangba Sakni, Manipur ki senior journalist ni, Aduga human rights ki member Taimanga Lermani, and the Yambem Lavana Manipur ki Prajada, Pajana News ki Matang the Pajana Ngangana, Kangali, Adu Marang, Manipur Prajagi Sebata Uda, Northeast News Channel da interview Haigadra group discussion da Hajiki Ladiba Sarkar ji Kamkana form Tawadu Haibutang discussion of Tormi Pungama, Adu discussion Tawal Matunda Yumda, Halaya Pumapanda, Adu Ayumanda Pung Humakaida. Pakang Punamuk, Nomai Bible Aga, Mayum Thong Gate Chulonba, Magi Masagi Yumki Gate Lorba Mayam, Lukada di Karakno Tangaga, Mabu Pung Makaida, Mayum de Pugre, Night Sutta, Chapel Lama Toraga, Aduga, warm cloth to Yodana, Magi Mrs. J.C. Mamandi Pura Chakre, Hajipo, Rambim Labagi, Kabaramo Pangde, Kadai de Lay Pangde. Aduna Yukantada, I want a phone line, JC Dagi, phone Dumatung and I Talaga Impal, police sta, OC Impal, police station the report orme, Aduga, police na Ajikana, Tiggerly, Adu Ajabawa Yamem Labagi, Pau Mautade, Asina Aham Sarutuni, Adu Asima Manda, Paneamna, journalism abu harassed over. Mama Anabi and going and Mongjam the Lerami, Madura Sunomika, Chale, hospital to the Adudaki Tola Yum the Lerabani, Adir Matanupi, Lomamatam the Su, Mabu harassment Dawi, Aduna threatened Doraga, Mamonde apologized the only, Adi Matung the Su, Magi Yum the Sunomika Pagi sign lay, Aduna journalism and Prajagi Sabata with a harassment of sea, Kitang Henmale. Aduna Prajada su appeal tawjai journalist mayam su appeal tawjai masi Yamem Lababu thuna thado anbiro safely thado anbiro aduga journalist ta trouble tawbiganu prajagi seba tawbani prajagi seba tawbagi damakta mi bu trouble tawbiba yade haina appeal tawjari Yamem Lababu thuna thado anbiro haina hanana khuramjari